sort of gave you some runway to be able to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF. What do you do now?
Yeah, so thank you so much for having me. Let's be clear about yesterday. So yesterday was the culmination of more than a year worth of litigation. The SEC denied GBTC's conversion to an ETF. We immediately filed a lawsuit. 14 months later now, we finally got a decision from the DC Circuit, and a panel of 3 judges unanimously voted and agreed with Grayscale, and that actually vacates the SEC denial order. Huge win for Grayscale, huge win for our investors, and really the crypto and investment community is as a whole.
Hey, I missed you guys. How you been? My name is Villarreal. For you guys that don't know me, I make crypto YouTube videos for everyone that wants to watch them. Appreciate you guys voting my last video about BitBoy Crypto. 1,100 views in the last 24 hours. You guys are amazing. Appreciate you guys making this the fastest growing crypto channel. And for those who are already subscribed, feel free down there, subscribe. It's free. Hit the like button. Do something. It is Labor Day weekend for those who live inside the United States, so happy Labor Day. Spend some time with your family, drink a few beers, a few margaritas. RIP to Jimmy Buffett that died this weekend as well. Holy shit, a lot has happened in the news recently, but not as much as it's going to happen in the next week. Now, let's get straight into the video, guys. The first chart I want to show you guys is this one. In this chart, I want to show you guys where Bitcoin is currently. We are sitting roughly around $25,900. Now, everybody knows that September is a red month for Bitcoin, but do I think this time is different? I do think so, because if you look back, the past 6 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going back all the way to 2017, they are all red months. But do I think this time is different? Yes, I do, because this would be too easy for the novice investor to think that Bitcoin's going to go short. Now, do I think Bitcoin's gonna go lower in price? Don't think so, and this is why. But I think people are gonna get liquidated in shorts, and I'm calling it right now. This may happen, it may not happen, but I think this is where we're heading next. You don't already know why we're gonna keep going higher is because of this ETF. Now, why would they make the final day a month before the Bitcoin halving? And this is why I think it's gonna happen. People on Wall Street or people in the SEC are going to release this Bitcoin ETF because they only have 2 options. One, fire Gary and then give us the Bitcoin ETF, or give us the ETF and Gary stays in office. But I don't think they're going to fire him just yet because he is in control of all things, and he's basically just a puppet for BlackRock and all these other people. But it would make more sense why would we keep going up. Now, I don't think it's going to get improved until March of 2024, and this is why, because that is a month before the Bitcoin halving. April 2024 will be the Bitcoin halving. Now, I don't think we're going to go lower until, I think we're going to keep climbing in price all the way into the final deadline of the ETF. Now, if you guys don't know anything about markets are pretty much priced in. So yeah, I think we're going to keep going up from this month. And I want to go into my next chart of this support, resistance, support. I think this is going to be the last time that we see a $26,000 Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in this yellow zone, and if you don't understand what this yellow zone is, it's essentially optimism and anxiety. Now, finally, some bullish news for altcoins. Now, you can see right here from 𝐿CryptoProf, we are sitting along this line for the past, I want to say the past since July, just trending along this line, just kind of skipping. Now, this goes into my last and final chart before the end of this video, and this is where I think we're heading for altcoins. If you guys don't have altcoins, this altcoin bear market looks eerily similar to the 2015 bear market bottom. You can see right here we have this green zone, blue zone, and then orange zone. And right now, we're slowly climbing. And you can see roughly where we are in November and right now in September. Maybe we keep going down and keep going up, but I think we're going to keep trending up. This is why. People are accumulating altcoins at the lowest price they've been in 3 years. Now, I'm going to go by the wise words of Mr. Warren Buffett. When everybody's greedy, I'm bearish. When everybody's bearish, I'll get greedy. Now, I think right now, people are a little bit bearish right now because they think Bitcoin's going to keep going lower with all this news. People doesn't know what's happening, sideways action. And it is my job to tell you guys, we are not going lower, but in fact, we're zoomed in too close, and we just need to zoom out and look at this chart. See you guys next time. Peace.